Many oil and gas companies see the value in detecting equipment faults, as this can lead to lower operating costs and improved machine efficiency and reliability. With enhanced equipment fault detection, you will be able to minimize equipment downtime with actionable alarms, monitor fault states with enhanced analysis, and optimize the efficiency of facility operations. Fault detection begins with recognizing that a problem has occurred and then working towards understanding the root cause. Information and data are required to understand the initial root cause in order to prepare, plan, and predict. There are a variety of ways in which equipment faults can be detected. Some of the common failure mechanisms are mechanical assemblies, corrosion and erosion, seal and gaskets, and missing components. Formation changes, changes to company policy, and technology can also play a role. Equipment fault detection also includes simple, single variables such as alarms based on high and low deviation limits for process variables or rates of change. All of the data comes from different types of equipment, from different vendors and in different formats. This makes getting data very difficult. All of this data then needs to be centralized, making things very complicated and expensive. Effective equipment fault detection requires overcoming many data collection challenges before getting started. Well sites have disconnected equipment, and field crews are needed to perform site visits and verify functionality manually. Maintenance is scheduled and performed reactively when an issue arises, instead of proactively. This kind of approach to equipment fault detection can lead to site shutdowns and unplanned downtime caused by equipment failure. The solution to these challenges? ShookIOT Fusion, which provides unlimited opportunities, allowing users to request data based on their context, whether it be equipment processes, areas, or functions. Oil and gas asset data is unlocked and collected from multiple systems or sources, whether it be siloed, stranded, or data deemed cost prohibited. Everything then goes to the secure Microsoft Azure IoT Hub at the lowest cost and easiest to integrate, maintain, and use. ShookIOT Fusion Cloud Historian accelerates and enables third-party software. Predictive analytics, advanced trending, graphics, and dashboards allow data scientists to use their tools of choice for each well site and facility. Data based on your current operations then becomes accessible anywhere, at any time, from any location, even on your mobile device. Use big data and machine learning to predict failure before it occurs and improve maintenance. Get instant notification when machines need to be maintained, preventing expensive equipment failure and wasted money and manpower. By accessing data through ShookIOT Fusion, this single source of truth will allow you to assess any equipment in your enterprise at any given moment. Equipment fault detection provides tremendous value in providing industrial intelligence. Prevent unplanned downtime and reduce lost productivity. Well site employees have wearables tracking their health and safety, preventing any on-site accidents. Remote monitoring of operations via sensors can monitor and detect leakages without the physical presence of any on-site personnel. Real-time data in combination with massive amounts of reservoir data can help plan the placement of wells and flow rates. Operators have the ability to monitor equipment deterioration with the increased possibility of diagnosing a problem remotely as a result of preventative maintenance. Unintentionally operating beyond the limits of the machinery and equipment can lead to equipment failure and shutdowns. The same can be said as a result of unavoidable equipment abuse. Wear and tear of equipment can be attributed to environmental conditions and the corrosive and erosive properties of flowing hydrocarbons. A full understanding of the equipment not only provides insight on its mechanics and operations, but will also provide any background context to some of the failure precursors that can be expected as a result of this action. From here, we are able to understand why B occurred after A and the root cause and effect. Based on the data gathered on previous breakdowns, these breakdowns then become predictable, and unnecessary maintenance can now be prevented. Real-time data collected can now help the placement of wells and flow rates, further preventing on-site accidents. Remote monitoring based on real-time data then allows operators to make on-the-go decisions about site shutdowns, equipment faults, and equipment replacements. Digital advancements and changes to operating practices and improved maintenance strategies help to achieve operational excellence. There are many opportunities for equipment fault detection in the oil and gas industry. It can be used to optimize maintenance planning, change operating practices and improve maintenance, track facility operations against safe operating limits, and understand failure precursors. Contact ShookIOT for more information on how you can advance your current equipment fault detection monitoring today. Please like our video and subscribe below. Thank you.